From political former president Hannes by Kuba, they try for the whole glory within the APC political party.
Or make somebody come say, oh, the economy is bad, we are the worst economy, this and that. When I be not promised say in 6 months, when I will turn around the economy. When I don't promise say, when they can make the education, quality education. Where are we today? 3 years, 4 years down the line.
These are from political to add each way from a president again.
We don't make progress. We all don't know that. That is why the young people of the party are commending una call this retreat. The retreat not they go on. But we commend una. When they tell una thinking, una for no say this party na the party wey go make this country transform. This party na the party wey go unify this country. We'll talk about development from the time of Shaka Stevens. When Shaka Stevens come, Bo and Kenema been they get electricity. Then they get one hydro where they call them. What is? Dodo. Where Dodo been there? Electricity not been there 24 hours at the south and east. Electricity been there na Port Loko. It been there na Kenema. I mean, it been there na Kenny. You know they no side. This is what we stand for as a party. National development. We don't integrate the country, we don't care. When we come as a government, the road construction in the cities, now go and launch them. From Bo to Kenema, from Kenema to Kailaung. Today, Kailaung, now they get the best road. Today, if people let talk about anything, we don't bring Kailaung. Kailaung has waited for 50 years for this integration. Even when the SLP be there in governance, nothing will happen.
Good talk.
Today, when they connect Sierra Leone to Liberia, when they use the Bo Pujen Road, the bridges. Now, at the area say them bridge then they now the talk can do 91. The Gwele Bridge, that bridge, when I've been there yesterday with the commissioner, now they say na talk and do. You know, so all of them here for encouragement. Now we increase salary for teachers. Now we open more schools. Now we open more universities. Even in the south and east, we will not reach a level now for open. But where people are not get appetite for development, from the time we left, all them projects they slow down. How much if we take inside 6 months for get a university in the south and east? How much if we take inside 1 year for make the bridge them all complete? 30 days with the struggle. It shows say the people are not get appetite. But we not come for that. All what they say, so not that we come for. No, we not come for that. We not come for that.
For waiting to become a president, we don't do this now for political things. But we can go right by the thing, and you know go come and not talk the things that we not do. This now Two-Face, the National Publicity Secretary of Tagmin Sierra Leone, and the audience if you let the part talk what you don't do because now good.
No, we not come for that too. Not the politics to come for. Because during the 2018 debate, we see some candidates and they say, oh, this country don't have for corruption, we don't have for this, the price of rice, they don't increase from 60,000 to 120,000. This all come, we are going to change. How much the price of rice there now?
wetin people
na me say una no see am na the social media people dey don say the price of rice don go from 60,000 to 120 therefore APC must go.
Solombo no
People
consider
na the Renaissance movement dem no say for wear black prices dey don go up in the Renaissance movement. Tell me.
this was the former president wey announced by Kumadu follow the social media but all wetin dey happen inside Sierra Leone.
The petrol price 7,600. Renaissance leader at that time they say they na some office now. Me no know the office side o. Iselo wear black. This country have to stop this government. The government is heartless. Ebo from 7,000. Who's out there now? Me the resale with the go take 13,000. Anyway. Me and the person waiting for cook. Me na retired president now, and they can't left the chairmanship. When I remember that, no, una wait. Hey, una wait. No, una sit down.
This na the former president. They try to talk to the youth people and of APC political party. They try to tell them wetin are the way forward for 2020.
One
These are for
morning,
political today.
the person wey responsible for make the chop na me host. He can't tell me say. He say pa. He say the rest the bag don go up to 400,000. Now I say he dey joke. 2 weeks later I come back. He said now 420. Now I say well una for begin the starve but we cannot afford it anymore. So if me at the level not able to afford that, what about the ordinary man? When I can this morning, I stopped na one village. I say bo, I dey talk to the villagers them. Just because I can like for talk to the villagers. Now tell me say pa, we not able to buy a bag of rice for a very long time. I say well this is a serious business. The villagers, a small village. And I say well you know what you do? Now not like yesterday, me na retired president now. So what I go do? I go give you money for one bag rice. When I go manage them. Say next time when I come back now, we will try. And I say, but who say again you go come? Now I say, well, you know, but this all this boy at all, not to that you come. We come for tell una say, we na a party where law abiding. We na a party where they listen to the law. We all already look all what you una don wear. Una don come out from all the way na Kailaun, not so? Kailaun there, not so? Kenema there, not so? Kono there, not so? Bode na, not so? Puja ude no so, Monte no so, we get Moyambana no so, we get Falaba, we get Kwenadugu, we get Gambia, we get Port Loko, we get Pombali, we get Tonkolele so. enter the western area, we all be don come for make we get a youth league retreat. We can't forget a youth retreat. Not a convention, now for make we begin to address the things them about the party. And I want to commend una where una do that. Because as a party, we not for justice, you don't almost say pass convention for go elect officers. All of they get the convention, them go learn about the party, what in the party stand for, how the party be formed, why they form the party, what in are the aims and objectives of the party. Then all then are the new party constitution. What in are the philosophy of the party. This party, now because people feel say the ordinary man was not represented. The party then na class party. If you not belong to the family, you not get nothing. This party come in for make we fill in that gap there. So we get to understand how the party form. And we all now get to believe in what in the party stand for. If we not believe in what in the party stand for, we not will be motivated. If we not believe in what in the party stand for, we not will come together. That is why I commend the youths where they organize this, and I go encourage you now. When the heavy clouds them, allow the big rain for fall, and the sunshine comes, now we'll continue with the engagements here. Now continue with the engagements of knowing who we are, what we stand for. And from the time they formed this party, we have stayed committed to values, the commitments, the way the party stand for. That is why from 67 throughout onto this period, now we don't do the things same way they address the desires of the ordinary man. The social infrastructure, the physical infrastructure, the economic infrastructure, the democratic infrastructure, and the national cohesion. We don't come for divide the country. We don't unify the country. Today we see the deep divide the country. It saddens us. So youths are encouraged you now to continue. But when the sunshine comes. Today we not go proceed with this retreat. The courts say we not for proceed. The PPRC say we not for proceed. But I encourage you now. We get for be strong. The APC is born out of a struggle, and the struggles we must continue with. That is why we say in the struggles of the APC, there is victory. So we ask now or go back to our destinations.
We are
be very peaceful, be law-abiding.
Don't cancel Isai Poloko.
Do go clean Gisno. Do go clean Gisno. Do go clean Gisno. Would not worry. Let us now in the things they own get na cohesion. Let all work together. In what you for do, we for put up resilience. So if I reach there, we na a law-abiding party. Let us be peaceful. Let us work together in the struggles of APC.
Yeah, must
There
be
is
big,
victory.
big victory.
There is victory.
Now, so we end the former president and by Koroma, go end everything. From political two-face, as we listen to song for council, all what they happen inside APC, there is a victory for us come 2026 as the party now law abiding. Behind this house, without the former president, we don't end with a victory song.
In the struggles of APC, there is victory. Thank you very much.
Stand firm. If we don't inside the political hall, we don't hold everything inside. We will try to fight and conquer now. In the struggles of APC, there is victory. Now show me that for these are the youth league songs.
Church ready for God. Let God bless your casting. When the Papa for APC. So let the voice of the youth and the meditations of my heart be accepted to God, yes.
For happen political two-face, the national publicity sector of fragments. So plenty things we get for happen inside the hall where we don't end. No retreat, we accept the court order. And now we decide for do things and people are going. APC we go come and shall from political two-face, the national publicity sector of fragments.